Most of my customers install these systems themselves, whether they're grid-tied or off-grid. Most of these people don't have backgrounds in contracting work. They're not home builders. They haven't wired their house. These are people with normal everyday jobs, and they want to get rid of their power bill, and they want to save a lot of money doing so.
Most of our customers are DIY customers, but definitely we have people that can't do that. They can't climb a ladder, can't get up on the roof and do it themselves, don't have the experience, or just don't have the interest. They should still have solar. So you can still act as your own general contractor. You can buy your system from us. We can provide the equipment, the spec sheets, the wiring diagrams, help you with the permit process. And you can just hire local laborers, electricians, roofers, maybe even a solar installer. And you can still get that system installed on your house and save a lot of money.
From a technical viewpoint, the tasks you're doing to assemble the equipment, it's really not that complicated. These systems have gotten to a point where they literally are a plug-and-play type approach. You can put the whole racking system together with a socket wrench.
We're different from our competitors in the fact that we're employee-owned. We have a full staff that will take care of you all the way through the process, from the very first phone call to all the follow-up, the tech questions, the delivery. Every department, it's all separate. There's a lot of websites out there where you're just calling up and you might be getting the lowest price, but it's 2 or 3 people just drop shipping. They're never touching the product. We have over 50 employees, and we're there from start to finish.
I have a degree in photovoltaic design and installation from a tech school in northern New Mexico, and I've been working as an installer for the 8 years before I started working here.
I got the majority of my knowledge on electrical systems and solar equipment by doing it myself and getting in and figuring out how things work.
I've been doing something with solar panels for about 10 years now.
I have a pretty well-rounded knowledge of commercial, grid tie, small off-grid, large off-grid, and have worked on all of those jobs personally myself as an installer.
I have a background in installation, so I've had my hands on the materials. That's probably where I learned the most before I got in the position I'm in now.
When I started working here, I purchased a bunch of equipment and put it together and took it apart. I learned a lot of lessons, and then I'm able to pass a lot of those lessons on to our customers who can kind of stand on my shoulders and not make the same mistakes.
The learning never stops in the solar industry though, so I continually learn from our tech team and purchasing team almost daily. I don't look at myself as a salesperson. I look at myself as a consultant.
I'm not a big fan of the sales process, or being a salesperson.
When folks call in and they tell me what it is they're looking for and what it is they're trying to accomplish, I am trying to match the best equipment for their needs.
I just educate the customer, and I share my knowledge with them, and if it helps them meet their needs, then they buy things from me.
I don't use sales pitches. I use actual facts and truth about products to get people the best information and best system for what it is that they need.
There's a lot of customers that are really receptive to that. They don't want to be sold. They just want information, and when it works out, it's perfect. And then both of our goals are met.